should I book for my renovation clean?
The number of hours you'll need depends on the size of your home, number of rooms, stories, bathrooms, the type of renovation work done, light cosmetic versus full structural, whether you want interior only or extras like windows, carpets, or pressure washing, the level of dust, paint, residue, and debris left behind. Here's a rough guide. 1 to 2 bed apartment with minor works, 4 to 6 hours. 3 to 4 bedroom home with bathroom, kitchen, reno, 6 to 10 hours. Full home renovation or new build, 10 to 20 plus hours with 2 to 4 cleaners on site. We'll help you determine exactly how many hours to book during your free quote, and we'll build a custom cleaning plan to match. We're also flexible. You can extend if needed on the day, subject to availability. We often recommend our value-packed offer. Book 4 hours, get 2 free. Ideal for homes needing that final polish.